Uka, yo, the shoulder move. Oh my god, bro. Yo, what's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, on this reaction, we're gonna react to SB19. They are featuring Ian, Asher, Terry, Zhong. This song is called Moonlight music video. So if you guys are new, welcome. One question, do anyone here who's watching this video know of Bob Marley? Please let me know and how you become a Bob Marley fan. So let's dive in. Peace. First thing first, these guys look incredible. The dress code, the entire swag, bro, it's incredible. To be honest, I'm one of their best inspirations. I'm from Jamaica and I do love this outfit. It's incredible. Let's continue. Multiple of them now. Yo, the setup, the lineup, the movement, freaking incredible. I am grading this 110% for the entirety, right? They all look amazing. They all dress thoroughly. This is what I do respect about the SB19, right? They're always making this look so darn professional. The professionalism, it's always there. As a Jamaican, I prove this. Move, bro. Ah! Yo. Yo, this move is awesome. Yo, who invented these moves, bro? And everyone, bro, it's so cooperating for them. It's so easy. They are making it look so easy. The cooperation, right? It's freaking gorgeous. Damn. I have to give them a solid 10 for their entirety again. This one is freaking dope. Look at them, bro. Look at them. They are all here in one doing it. It is not like it's a clone or nothing like that, or it's a hologram making any movement. They are different from each other. They are each individual, right? And every individual here is playing a vital and a superb role. This role is freaking gorgeous. It's like they're on a highway participating in the traffic. Wow. Wow. Observe about this video, it's like they're underneath a water, right? It's like they're underneath a pool doing all this. And it is freaking dope. It's one of the best music video ideas I've seen. It's like everyone here just according to the pool color. And it is phenomenal. The work here, the ideologies, they come together, put together as one. It's freaking dope. Compliments, bros. Compliments. This is mind blowing. This is a great experience. This led me to become a fan even more of the SB19. Yo, the music video was incredible, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I did enjoy that. And compliments of this video being shoot underwater, even though it's not an official water, but you guys should understand. The moonlight, bro, the representation is freaking gorgeous. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, leave a like, smash a subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.